Hello beauties, and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all, I really do. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your very own avocado oil in the comfort of your home. So yeah, avocado oil is an amazing antimicrobial. It's also antioxidant, it's anti-inflammatory. Yeah, it's a very good skincare moisturizer. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make it. Before then, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Tap on the bell icon. In that way, you'll get instant notifications whenever I upload a new video. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. So my lovelies, I'm going to go ahead by cutting the avocados I'm going to use to make this oil. And after that, I'm going to scoop out the avocados with a spoon, doing this carefully. So after that, I'm going to use the back of the spoon to help me mash these avocados. As you can see here, I'm really taking my time to mash this carefully. So here I'm going to add this. This is 250 ml, equivalent to 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to add this inside the avocado. So after that, I'm going to give it a good stir, and I'm going to be cooking on a low heat. Down to the ground. You're dragging me, it's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain, it sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below yourself. So as you can see, the way it's looking now, I'm going to continue to stir this. You want to take your time and do this. You don't have to be in a hurry when you want to do this. As you can see, the color changes over time. As you're doing this, it changes gradually. So this is how it's looking right now. I'm going to leave it and get it off the cooker and leave it to cool, so the oil, everything will come on top. So now you can get yourself a sieving cloth, just something like this, something very light, so you can use it to strain out the oil. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. So as you can see, I'm carefully transferring this, and after that, I'm going to squeeze out all the oil. So now I'm going to go ahead and squeeze out the avocado oil. So I'm going to continue to squeeze until I can't squeeze out oil anymore. As you can see how the color is looking, but don't worry, once it settles more, the real color of avocado oil will come out. So as you can see, this is after 10 to 15 minutes. This is how it's looking. So you can see after like 30 minutes, I'm going to transfer the avocado oil inside another bowl, doing this carefully again. So here, as you can see, I'm carefully transferring this again inside another bowl. So after this, I'm going to leave this oil overnight. Like I'm doing this like let's say in the night. So in the morning, this is how it's looking. You can see the everything, like the oil is way on top. Like, so as you can see, the 100% avocado oil we wanted is just there on top, as you can see that. So this chaff now, don't throw it away. I'll be showing you what you can do with this. Very useful in my next video. Remember, store that. You can keep that, just transfer it where the other ones, you know, are. We can use it to make your body scrub, I mean the chaff. So yeah, this is how my avocado oil is looking right now. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to transfer this inside the bottle. So if you have like cosmetics fragrance, organic fragrance, you can go ahead and add just about a few drops inside this oil. So if you don't have, it's okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and transfer this inside my bottle. Make sure again you sanitize your bottle. I'm using a darker bottle just to make sure that the oil retains its original form. That's what I'm doing. So after transferring this with the help of my funnel, I'm going to show you how this avocado oil can moisturize your skin. It's so good, you know. Again, avocado oil increases collagen, and its benefits to the skin are wonderful. They are very wonderful, guys. Like if your skin is looking so dull, this is going to help your skin. It's going to rejuvenate your skin, you know. Again, some of the benefits include reduction of wrinkles, fine lines, dryness, free radical damage, and so on, you know. Using avocado oil on the skin may also boost collagen production. Guys, it's so good. Let me know if you've tried this, and if you have, let me know what you think about it. So yeah, avocado oil is very good, making your skin look good and youthful. It's so good. Like, it has these amazing benefits for your skin and for your hair as well. So yeah, thank you also so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and leave your comments. Let me know your thoughts, and share this video if you can. So thank you also so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye.